Did you know your gut has its own little brain and is actually very smart? This gut brain can sense what you eat, process it, and then decide how to react. If your gut likes the food, you'll feel good, but if it's unhappy, you're in for trouble. So, it's super important to feed your gut with healthy foods. That's why in this video we have got these 13 awesome meals that'll keep your gut feeling great. Also, make sure to stick around for number 13. It's a tasty treat that's not just good for your gut, but also a delight for your taste buds. 1. Grain and veggie salad topped with sautéed tempeh. Grain salads are awesome for a healthy lunch, and you can make a bunch for the whole week. First, pick a grain you like, such as barley, quinoa, bulgur, or millet, or mix them up. These grains are packed with good stuff like vitamins, minerals, fiber, and prebiotics. Then add some veggies like broccoli, baby spinach, garlic, onions, kale, and asparagus. They are not only tasty, but also have prebiotics that are good for your gut. For a healthy punch of probiotics, toss in some browned tempeh. It's a plant-based protein, fermented, and great for your digestion. Don't forget to sprinkle in some toasted nuts, lentils, or beans to make your grain salad hearty and delicious. 2. Mediterranean-inspired wheat pasta salad. Pasta salad is a crowd pleaser, and it's a breeze to prepare for the week ahead. Try a Mediterranean-style pasta salad for a gut-friendly twist. Simply mix your favorite ingredients like olives, sun-dried tomatoes, oregano, chickpeas, basil, red onion, a bit of feta cheese, and some good olive oil. This combo creates a flavorful salad loaded with prebiotics and plant goodness. To make it even better, use some organic wheat pasta. It adds more fiber and makes the salad heartier. So, whether you're meal prepping for the week or need a quick and tasty dish, this Mediterranean pasta salad is a win-win for your taste buds and your gut. 3. Yogurt with granola and berries. If you're a fan of this classic breakfast, you're in for a treat, because it's not just delicious, it's also a gut-friendly choice. Yogurt is a probiotic superstar, and the oats and berries in granola bring prebiotics to the party. The berries also come with a bonus of anti-inflammatory compounds, vitamins, and fiber. Just remember to choose granola with as little added sugar as possible to make the most out of this healthy and tasty breakfast. Your gut will thank you. 4. Kimchi fried rice. Once you try adding chopped kimchi to your fried rice, you might never go back to your old recipe or regular takeout. Kimchi, that zesty Korean fermented cabbage, adds a tangy kick and brings in those probiotics your gut loves. All the usual fried rice ingredients like garlic, onion, and scallion are loaded with prebiotics, making your gut bacteria super happy. If you want to make it even healthier, go for brown rice to up the fiber. And don't forget to throw in some cooked egg, shrimp, chicken, edamame, tofu, or your favorite protein to make it extra hearty. This upgraded fried rice is a tasty way to treat your gut and your taste buds. 5. Biim Bap with kimchi and fried egg. This is another Korean rice dish that's not just bursting with flavor, but also loaded with nutrients and good stuff for your gut. Start with organic brown rice for extra fiber and prebiotics. Then, pile on the toppings like mushrooms, organic spinach, carrots, and garlic, which bring anti-inflammatory benefits and even more prebiotics. Don't forget the probiotic-rich kimchi and a sunny-side-up egg for that extra gut-loving boost. If you're not into meat or want to cut back on red meat, you can skip the flank steak and replace it with something veggie-friendly, like crispy mushrooms for a hearty texture, edamame for protein, and bean sprouts for a satisfying crunch. 6. Hus Rancheros with beans, avocado, and an egg huevos. Rancheros is not just a delicious breakfast, it's also a great way to load up on gut-healthy foods. Swap sour cream for tangy plain yogurt to get those probiotics. Add black beans and onions for prebiotics and fiber, and top it off with avocado, onions, organic peppers, and salsa for those essential plant compounds your body craves. It's a breakfast that's as good for your gut as it is for your taste buds. 7. Stuffed cabbage rolls. Stuffed cabbage rolls are a game changer if you haven't tried them. They're hearty, easy to prep ahead, and you can fill them with whatever you like. Consider a combo of organic brown rice, sauerkraut, and your favorite sautéed veggies. You can also add your preferred protein, whether it's ground turkey, pork, tofu, or tempeh. Wrap these ingredients in steamed cabbage rolls, bake them in your favorite jarred tomato sauce, and voila! You've got a flavorful, gut-friendly lunch. The sauerkraut provides healthy bacteria, the veggies and tomatoes deliver prebiotics, the brown rice offers fiber, and the whole dish is rich in vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It's a flavorful treat for your taste buds, but if you're looking for a real game changer, be sure to stay tuned until the end for a special treat. 8. Miso marinated salmon with veggies. With a satisfying umami kick and probiotics, miso boosts the flavor and gut friendliness of this salmon dish. Salmon, rich in omega-3s, is great for reducing inflammation. Quinoa brings in the prebiotics, and whatever veggies you decide to roast or sauté will provide essential micronutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory plant compounds. It's a delicious and nutritious combination that's good for your taste buds and your gut. 9. Smoothie. With kefir, bananas, flax seeds, and frozen berries, smoothies and smoothie bowls are perfect for a quick breakfast. And the best part is you can supercharge them with healthy ingredients. In this smoothie recipe, kefir, similar to yogurt, adds healthy bacteria for your gut and digestion. If you prefer yogurt, choose brands with less sugar. Bananas, flax, and berries provide the prebiotics that help good bacteria thrive. You can also try a gut-healthy and vibrant mango turmeric smoothie, kefir, banana, mango, turmeric, and a touch of black pepper to unlock turmeric's anti-inflammatory benefits. These smoothies not only taste great, but are packed with gut-friendly goodness to start your day right. 10. Fish tacos, Greek yogurt, crema, and avocado salsa. It's time to elevate your Taco Tuesday with some easy gut-boosting ingredients. Fish tacos are always a hit, and you can use any fish you like, whether it's salmon, shrimp, tilapia, cod, swordfish, or tuna. All are packed with omega-3, which is super beneficial to reduce inflammation. To add some probiotics, swap out sour cream with plain Greek yogurt. Consider making a homemade yogurt crema with full fat, plain Greek yogurt, lime, garlic, paprika, and a bit of milk to thin it out. Don't forget to top your tacos with a fresh and chunky salsa featuring tomato, avocado, garlic, and onion. This salsa covers your prebiotic and anti-inflammatory bases while bringing tons of flavor to the table. 11. Falafel wraps with lemon tahini yogurt, sauce crispy. Falafel can be a treat, but you can make them healthier. Skip the deep fryer and use your air fryer or a hot convection oven for that satisfying crunch. The chickpeas, herbs, onion, and garlic in the falafel are great sources of prebiotics and anti-inflammatory compounds. Top your falafel with a lemon tahini yogurt sauce that's packed with prebiotics from tahini and probiotics from yogurt. This way, you get all the flavor and texture you love with some gut-friendly benefits. 12. Tofu Scramble. With broccoli, onion, and garlic, vegans often find tofu scramble a delightful and nutritious breakfast that's perfect for using up leftover veggies. Tofu brings omega-3s and protein to the table, while broccoli, onion, and garlic are rich in polyphenols and serve as potent prebiotics. If tofu isn't your thing, scrambled eggs work just as well, and you can customize your scramble with different veggies or beans to suit your preferences. To make it even more convenient, wrap that flavorful, fiber-rich scramble in a hearty wheat tortilla, and you're all set for a tasty and portable breakfast on the go. Now it's time for the highlight of the show. 13. Miso soup and veggie dumplings. This hearty and savory lunch idea is not only satisfying but also great for your gut health. Miso paste, which adds a rich umami flavor to miso soup, is loaded with healthy bacteria. Plus, the dumplings you use often contain garlic, onion, ginger, carrot, and scallions in the filling. These ingredients offer fiber, anti-inflammatory compounds, and prebiotics to support the probiotics in your miso soup. If you need an extra protein boost, top your bowl with a perfectly cooked, jammy egg. If you're not sure which miso soup base to go for, try the ginger miso broth and drop your dumplings right in, or enjoy them on the side with your favorite dipping sauce. You can also explore variations like miso chicken soup or miso mushroom ramen for a tasty gut-boosting meal. Undoubtedly, all of these meals are delicious and packed with a generous amount of nutrients. But we would like to know which meal option stands out to you the most. Comment your favorite meal in the comment section below.